In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up TradingView for day trading. By the end, you'll have a TradingView account, dark mode enabled, your key day trading timeframes pinned for quick access, a multi-chart layout ready to monitor multiple views, and your chart template saved so your indicators and drawings stay consistent. First, create an account so your charts and settings are saved. Go to tradingview.com. In the top right, click Sign In or Get Started and create your account. Once you're signed in, open any chart so we can adjust the workspace. Next, turn on dark mode to reduce eye strain during long sessions. In the top right, click the avatar icon to open the main menu. Look for Color Theme, then activate Dark Color Theme. The interface switches immediately. If the screen goes dark and the chart background changes, you're set. You can switch back at any time from the same menu, but for day trading, dark mode is often easier on the eyes. Now, set up your day trading timeframes so you can switch quickly without searching. At the top of the chart, click the timeframe dropdown. By default, it usually shows D for daily. In the list, find 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. Click the star icon next to each one. As you star them, they appear on the favorites bar above the chart. This lets you switch timeframes with one click. Confirm they're visible on the bar, then click each one briefly to make sure the chart updates correctly. If you don't see one, open the dropdown again and star it. From here, set up your chart layouts to watch multiple views at once. Look for the Select Layout icon above the chart area. Click it to open the layout options. Choose a single, 2, or 4 chart layout depending on how many views you want on screen. For example, pick a 2-chart layout to view 1-minute and 5-minute charts side by side, or a 4-chart layout to watch multiple time frames or tickers simultaneously. After selecting a layout, each pane will act as its own chart. You can click into a pane and use your favorited time frames to assign the view you need. This layout choice is reversible, and switching layouts won't delete your data. At this point, save your chart template so your indicators and drawings are easy to reuse. Right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Save Drawing Template. Give the template a clear name so you can recognize it later, then save. This keeps your current setup, your indicators, and drawing styles, so you can reapply them quickly on any chart. To confirm, you can right-click again and check that your new template appears in the template list. Saving a template does not remove anything from your current chart. It simply stores your preferred configuration for fast access. Once that's done, your TradingView setup for day trading is ready. You're signed in so your work is saved, dark mode is active, your 1-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour timeframes are pinned for fast switching, your multi-chart layout is in place, and your drawing template is saved for consistent charts. Your TradingView day trading setup is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.